Hello, Sanbonani. My name is Sibo. Today we are making a jam sponge cake. Let's begin. Preheat the oven to 160 degrees Celsius for at least 15 minutes before baking. Beat 4 eggs, sugar, vanilla, and mix until pale yellow. Please check the description box for a list of ingredients and more information. Here I got tired of mixing manually. I changed to a hand mixer. Add oil and continue mixing. Now in a separate container, mix sour cream, add fresh milk and mix. Add the cream to the egg mixture. Mix well. Gradually sift in the flour, stirring in between. Thank you so much for tuning in to watch my video. I appreciate your time. Use a spatula to check for dry patches underneath. Do not overmix. Place the batter in a baking tin lined with baking paper. Now tap the tin to eliminate air pockets from the batter. Stir the jam. Add spoonfuls of jam. Push them down. Please subscribe and press the notification bell to be notified when I post a new video. Tap the tin a little, bake for 30 to 35 minutes or until a wooden skewer or a sharp knife comes out dry. Now cool the cake for about 10 minutes. When it's cool, it will move away from the tin. If it is stuck, use a knife around the edges to take it out. The reason for this is because the jam gets sticky. Now you can dust the cake with icing sugar, that's optional. Please kindly press the like button and leave me a comment below to add more value regarding this video. I hope you will enjoy this recipe. It's so simple and delicious. Thank you so much for your time. Hope to see you soon. Enjoy. Goodbye.